Every pallet needs a good wrap. Strong, secure, tight, protective, customizable, and to be wrapped more. If your pallet needs a wrap, two of our superior solutions are there for you: Pre-Stretch and Power Stretch for storage and transportation. Pre-Stretch and Power Stretch are suitable for manual and automatic wrapping. With their flexible and strong structures, they wrap sharp corners securely. They protect your goods against external conditions, wrapping wider surfaces with less film. Pre 7 to 10 micron. Power 12 to 46. They're available in multiple thickness and width options to suit your specific needs. Meet the Stretch Wrap family by Korozo Flexibles. Wrap your goods securely. Save time and cost.